जब हम देखते हैं आज के ट्रैफिक और शोर शराबा तो सोचते हैं कि काश कुछ नया हो। The world is buzzing with innovations that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. From electric cyber trucks to sky-soaring drones, हर कोना इनोवेशन से भरपूर है। इंडिया का सफर भी कम नहीं रहा। From the चुक-चुक of steam engines to the sleek lines of the metro, we've come a long way. और अब हम तैयार हैं नेक्स्ट बिग लीप के लिए। कल्पना कीजिए अगर सच हो जाए कि आप सिर्फ मेट्रो से इंडिया से दुबई पहुंच सके। Sounds unbelievable, right? But hold on to your dreams because in our vision for 2024, we are building bridges, not just between cities, but across seas. Introducing the hypothetical India to Dubai Metro. Let's paint the picture to booming economies, to dynamic cultures, yet a whole sea apart. सफर जो होगा ऐतिहासिक, जब वक्त और फासला हो जाएगा नगण्य। With this groundbreaking mode of transport between India and Dubai, भारत से दुबई का मेट्रो जो बदलेगी यात्रा के मायने और समय। A journey beneath the waves, where technology defies the conventional and creates the extraordinary. Engineering का एक नया अजूबा होगा। Designed to navigate the depths of the Arabian Sea, the India to Dubai Metro promises a blend of speed, luxury and eco-friendliness. क्या होगी इस मेगा प्रोजेक्ट की हकीकत? For now, we dream and we wait, envisioning 2024 as the year when the impossible becomes possible. हो सकता है ये इंडिया टू दुबई मेट्रो set a new course for global connectivity. Imagine stepping onto a metro in Mumbai and stepping out in Dubai. No vast stretches of sky or sea traversed by plane, but a straight shot through the heart of the ocean, stitching the fabric of two nations into one seamless journey. और क्या-क्या संभव हो सकता है कल की दुनिया में? The future holds unparalleled adventures, perhaps metros that leap from one country to another at hyperspeed, or pods that whisk passengers across continents in the blink of an eye. Stay tuned as we dream up the next generation of travel. To soar with us into this future, subscribe करें and become part of our channel's journey into the fantastic. And until our next exploration, keep dreaming, keep innovating.